Move to Open Hidden Wallpaper. Both lock screen and home screen. Change any under wallpaper. Work on any Galaxy devices. Open Galaxy Store. Search and install Good Lock. Open Good Lock app. Install Wonderland plugin. Now, you need wallpapers. Download wallpapers in video description. Open Wonderland. Create your own moving wallpaper. Tap Gallery. Import under wallpaper first. Add more wallpaper. Choose poster wallpaper. Scale and moving up. Image settings. Enable. Set Y movement to 25 value. Add more wallpaper. Select poster again. Scale and moving down. Image settings. Set Y movement to 25 value. Preview. Save. Set as wallpaper. Open Wonderland. Create another wallpaper. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.